Hey friends, Merry Christmas. It is Christmas Eve and we are here to do a holiday style. It's one y'all see me do before. I'm going to try to do pipe cleaner curls again. It's been 2 years since I've done them, so my hair is a lot longer than the last time. If you haven't seen that video, it'll be linked up here and down in the description box. But the dilemma I have, because y'all know I got one, my hair tends to grow, but I don't tend to grow my supply of utensils, equipment, I don't know what you call it. So we have the same amount of pipe cleaner that I used back then. And I don't know if it's gonna work or not. I don't know. And then I also had cut those in half, or I didn't cut them in half. Or did I cut them? I don't know, but they are half sized, and so I'm like trying to decide if I'm going to unravel them all and make them a little longer, but then I feel like that's too thin because like one pipe cleaner to a bunch of locks, I don't know, but we might just have to make it work for this style. So when I unravel them, this is the length. Like, I guess it's not cut. No, it's still cut because I think they're longer. Because I have some that I didn't use. So this is like 6 that I didn't use. So let's see. No, well, it looks like I cut maybe a little bit. They're about the same length. So I know I was folding them in half. So maybe if I tried just doing like fold like that to get the little loop thing and then just using this, but I just feel like it's so thin. But we're gonna try it out and see. We won't be using a lot of products today, just good old water with our setting foam, styling foam. But I'm gonna try to, I need to watch my own video because I don't even remember how to do this. This is medium length. I still think my hair is short. So short to medium length, sister lots, Microloc. Let's try it out. I'm gonna keep it how it was, twist it back, and I might just have to double it up. Cause according to 2022 special, she said that she wanted it shorter, and so she had folded the bottom up some more. So I'm not gonna fold the bottom up. And we're just gonna do a trial run to see. So that's why I need to see how many locks I was putting on a thing. I'm stressed, and I love to do this kind of stuff when it's important. I don't ever want to play with my hair just to do stuff. I always want to wait until it's important. Alright, so I'm gonna start on this section here. I always start turning the lights on. And my hair is just curly because I had a bun in right now. Yeah. Going with my phone. And we got, I might have too many. This is definitely way more than 4. I'm getting too excited. Alright, let's just do 4. The top. That's annoying. But you know what? She in there. She in there. Alright, she in there. She thick. We might not do that many again, but she in there. Like I said, this issue I'm running at when I get towards the top is like the top doesn't roll as smoothly as like the bottom does. I don't know why. I also don't have time to figure out. We got 3 in. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest, and then I'm gonna just fold this little loop at the bottom up. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest and then come back and let y'all see. All right, so we have done the back. You know, they're in there. I don't know how neat the curl will be, but I don't really care about that. I just want, like we said, some body, some definition, something going on. So we are halfway done. This is all I have left, plus the 6 ones that we didn't use last time. So I think we're doing pretty decent. Yeah, I think we're doing pretty decent as far as where we are. This section of my hair is not as full or thick as the back, so I'm positive. So I'm keep working away around the front, and I'll show y'all where we are once I am done. All right, we look, like I said, we're not doing this to wear them outside or long term. Look, I got little pieces of hair sticking out. We just want just some curls. So they're in here, and look, y'all, I have so much more left. That makes me nervous. It's 1 o'clock on Christmas Eve, so I'm going to keep them in till probably about 1 o'clock tomorrow. So I hope they will be dry. But yes, this is what we look like. Like I said, it's not perfect. I don't want the perfect curls. I just want definition. So I hope that we get that. But we will check back in tomorrow to do the takedown and see if I did it right. Merry Christmas, friends. It is time to take down these. So I wore them all day yesterday. Everything went great. I woke up this morning. This one came a little bit loose, but other than that, we're still here. Everything's still in place. So we are going to get ready to take them down, and then I am going to see what we got. I'm going to go in with some of these scalp oil. It's the Unique Hair Essentials pomegranate and lavender scalp oil. If y'all seen me use this before. So I'm just gonna put some on my scalp and then some on my fingertips so that I don't know. It's a loose natural habit where you use some oil on your fingertips so you don't frizz up your curls, but I got locks, so don't really know how effective it is, but I'm doing it anyway. I like this oil because it's a nice, it's light, but it's thick at the same time. I'm scared. Everything feels dry. Okay, she a little bunched up, but we got something. All right, we got some very, it looked like them little cartoons where they had the little screwed up little balls that will be on the screen. That's what it looked like. I'm gonna take the rest out and then we're gonna see what we got. All right, so this is what we look like. I've gotten them all out, I believe. So I'm trying to decide if I'm going to separate them at all or kind of just leave them like this and let it fall. I don't know, but this is the first look at them unraveled. I'm trying to make sure I got them. I didn't. There's always, you always gotta double check. There's one left in the back. So I feel like the short ones worked, but I can tell that my hair was kind of bunched up on them. Oh, there's another one. And so I probably could benefit from using a longer pipe cleaner. Like this got the job done, but I still may order some more. So I got some longer ones so my hair doesn't have to be so bunched up on the pipe cleaner and make the curls bunchy looking. But yeah, I don't know, shall I leave them like this or separate it some more? I'm scared if I separate it, it's not gonna look as good. but then I'm scared that they're not living up to their full potential if they're kept jumbled up like this. But I don't know. I might leave it, y'all. I don't know. I'm gonna get dressed and see how I feel. But I think I might leave them like this. I think I'm gonna spray some hose spray. We're getting ready to head out, but this is the final look. I did decide to separate the curls because I did a trial run on the back and I was like, okay, I think it looks better fluffed out, and I think it came out amazing. So if you need, excuse Logan. Thank you. Thank you, sweet butt. If you need like that's Daddy's hat. Mommy. Thank you. If you need like a quick like curl that you know you can guarantee will dry overnight, I think this might be it. Even though I had mine in for almost 24 hours, but it's still, I've had better luck with this than using like foam curls or foam, what is it, rods, curl rods, what are flexi rods or even perm rods. That's not for your hair. Where'd you get that from? I've had better luck with this than any of the other curling methods, so she may be staying with me in the rotation, especially when I want curls in a quick matter of time and not having to worry about a whole lot of dry time. Like outside, just use a little bit of foam, a little bit of water, call it a day, and we got the results that we did get. Like, look at the definition. Yes, I did go and spray with some got to be holding spray just to carry me through the day, but I really don't think these are going to go anywhere because they're a very tight defined curl, but we're gonna see how long they last. But yes, this is another perm rod, not perm rod, what are these, pipe cleaner curl set. So let me know what y'all think down in the comments, but I think she is a winner. So my two are waiting on me so we can go. So I will talk to y'all later. Bye. Oh, and Merry Christmas. Bye. Gotta go. Pipe cleaner curl set for the win again. So again, I hope y'all enjoyed y'all Christmas. I don't know at what point y'all be seeing this video. It could be way after the new year. It will probably be way after the new year. So happy new year in advance also. And let me know what kind of stuff y'all want to see with my hair in the future. More of this, because this cute. This cute. Alright, I'll talk to y'all later. I just wanted to show y'all that.